Hi, fifth grade. It's Miss Burgess again. Now that you have made a selection between a 3 and 5 paragraph essay, I wanted to spend some time taking you through this pretty large document. Remember, an essay is a challenge, but this document should hopefully make the process easier. So I'm going to be walking you through the 5 paragraph essay today, but there's just a slight difference between the 3 and 5 paragraph essay. So make sure you read the directions carefully, including our essay prompt. How does Esperanza change over time? Analyze how Esperanza responds to events early and late in the novel. Then compare her response to the events. What do her responses show about her as a person? Students, I want you to think about what key information are you going to need from this prompt. Just like when we have to carefully read a word problem in math, it's really important to carefully read a language arts prompt in English language arts. So take a minute, think when your teacher says pair and share with a nearby partner. What information might be important to take away from our essay writing prompt? Teachers, go ahead and pause now. All right, so now that you've had a chance to discuss a bit, I hope that your discussions included things like how Esperanza changes or evolves over time. I hope you talked about how it's important to have events early and late in the novel, or maybe at the beginning and end of the novel, and that you know you're going to be comparing Esperanza early or at the beginning of the novel and late at the end of the novel. Finally, what are her responses show about her as a person? That ties right into those character traits and the evidence that I had you find before Thanksgiving break. So don't forget that prompt is always highlighted up here in orange for you to go back and reference throughout our writing process. So underneath that is the table of contents. Each of these blue lines links to a different part of this document. Please, please, please do not try to edit or delete this table of contents because we're actually not going to be writing this essay in chronological order, in the order where it will be in its final product. We're actually going to be doing it out of order because I think that makes the essay writing a little easier. So I wanted you to be able to have this table of contents to navigate to. I haven't done this yet, but at the bottom of each page, I'll also put a bookmark to hop you back to the table of contents so that you're not always scrolling. All right. So then, as you can see, we have it before you write, a plan, and then each of these boxes or tables is going to become a paragraph in your essay. And remember, a paragraph is like this: your intro paragraph, your 3 body paragraphs, and your conclusion paragraph. So we are going to go through each of these paragraphs through each of my classes over the next few days. So I'm just going to kind of skim through those now and then bring your attention here to the final essay on Esperanza's evolution. This is where we will actually cut and paste everything that you have planned and written up to this point in here. And this table will be where I actually grade your essay. So for today, our objective is to plan this before you write, plan which supporting evidence you're going to use. So you need to first start with your topic sentence. Little hint, use words from the prompt. Restate to then answer the question, okay? And that should just be one sentence. Then I want you to use the timeline hanging up in your classroom to identify a character trait and type that supporting evidence and page number. This is where you can borrow and use the information that each of your classmates did prior to break. So you should be able to get this plan box done today. All right. And then on Friday, we'll kick off with our body paragraphs, those paragraphs in the middle of our essay. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of our document. Just a quick, if you're doing the 3-paragraph essay, your table of contents is just a little shorter. Minor difference there. You still need to do the before you write, writing your topic sentence with a restate and answer, identifying 3 character traits, and supporting evidence today. Best of luck. I know you can do it. Bye, 5th grade.